Many of us along the Space Coast live on the water, some right along the ocean front, and we recognize that sea levels are rising. But by how much and how fast? Those are two questions that NASA is trying to answer. According to the latest satellite measurements from NASA and its partners, seas around the world have risen an average of nearly 3 inches since 1992. NASA's Michael Freilich explains.
First, the red curve on here represents the record of global mean sea level that was started in 1992 with Topex Poseidon and has been continued by JASON 1 and JASON 2. So these satellites use precise radars to bounce signals off the ocean surface in order to determine the height of the ocean or sea level. So when these measurements are averaged globally, you get the curve you see there, the red line, and these show that sea level, when averaged globally, is increasing at a rate of about 3.2 millimeters per year over the last 23 years.
The sea level rise is due to at least two factors. First, the ocean expands as it warms. And as project scientist Josh Willis explains, data collected over the past 2 decades show most of the world's oceans are getting warmer.
Orange and red colors mean that sea levels have gone up in these locations, and blue and white means sea levels stayed the same or actually fallen. We can see that most places in the ocean are orange, meaning sea level's risen over the last 23 years. In a few places you can see blue, where sea level has actually dropped. Here we see the Gulf Stream. The red and blue indicate that this massive current has shifted slightly in the last 23 years.
Another factor that's leading to rising sea levels is melting ice sheets and glaciers. They're adding more water to the seas.
And in this case, we're showing GRACE estimates of mass change, mass loss in Greenland and Antarctica. The blue curve is Antarctica at the top, lower curve is Greenland. The mass loss there since 2002, when GRACE was launched, is about 0.25 millimeters per year for Antarctica and 0.74 millimeters per year for Greenland.
All of this research is pointing to an unavoidable sea level rise of several feet in the future. The big remaining question is, by when? Perhaps within a century. For WFIT, I'm Rick Glasby.